We're in China for an 8-day factory tour. We've got a number of things planned for this trip, but our top priority is to get to our 2 light set factories, talking to their corporate office. A year ago, went to Cambodia, taking a look at that country to bring Christmas lights in. We want to do that because the tariff is significantly less, which is going to allow us to lower our prices, but we need to make sure the quality is there for our Pro Christmas brand of lights. The country is phenomenal, so now all we need to do is make sure that our 2 factories that are expanding down there are up to the task of that expansion and going to keep the quality where we need it for Pro Christmas lights. So we're going into China to talk to them, to get those reassurances. A lot of you ask us what it's like in this part of the country, so I tell you what, why don't you tag along with us for the next 8 days? We'll show you some of the amazing things of this part of the world.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Okay, guys.
+100 years old. Really, the character and the antiquity is just so impressive in this area. It's like you just walk back into some movie and a perfect setting in Hollywood. It's just incredible. It's a meerkat. Goose, duck, or unknown. The transportation dynamics definitely change here. Craziness there. Guys are doing that. What do you like? Okay. What is that?
It's like it's kind of
Seafood. Sandworm.
Yeah, okay, I thought it was a worm, yeah. Okay. Good juicy one there.
I know, I'm trying to pick the best
There
one.
we go. No, come on.
I'm new to this. All right, ready?
Bottoms up.
Oh, okay. Cheers.
并不是说现在真的是可以啊，挺爱吃。茶吸一下就好了，不用。
How you doing over there?
Yep. Best bowl of worms I've ever eaten.
Yeah.
Thank you for my
But you
sauce.
can see it from your seafood market in US, right? This kind. Yes.
Yep. Oh.
There you go.
Good?
It's good. Mm-hmm. It's good.
Yeah. Mega speedy.
So much food.
Yeah, it's pretty worn out.
So that's a glimpse of Hong Kong and China. We absolutely love this part of the world, love the culture, love the people, and I'm glad you could join us and take a glimpse in our 8-day trip. Be sure and stay tuned for more adventures around the world as we travel to factories in all the countries that we do work with.